guys, it's Kerry. I'm helping my friends celebrate Eid al-Adha. There's some really interesting information in the description below. The magnificent Gaur. It is the largest species among the wild cattle and bovidae. Wild water buffalo. It is among the heaviest living wild bovid species and is slightly smaller than the Gaur. Both sexes carry horns that measure up to 2 meters. And Colwatuzi. Their horns have the largest circumference found in any cattle, their record being 103.5 centimeters. All my animals today are male animals. Brahman bull. This breed originated in India. It has quite thick skin, which resists insect bites. They have a hump on their back and a long head. The dewlap is very thick and helps them to cool down. Texas Longhorn. With reproduction, bulls become fertile at about 7 months of age. Their fertility is related to the size of their testicles, their circumference. A young bull is likely to be fertile once they reach 28 centimeters. A fully grown adult bull may be over 40 centimeters in circumference. A bull has a fibroelastic penis. It is quite rigid when non-erect and becomes slightly more rigid during erection. Some farmers use artificial insemination, a medically assisted reproduction technique, consisting of the artificial deposition of semen into the female's genital tract. While sheep are generally docile, non-aggressive creatures, this is not necessarily the case with rams, which are intact males, especially during the breeding season, the rut. Rams can be very aggressive and have been known to cause serious injuries, even death. European mouflon. It is a feral subspecies of domestic sheep. It combines 2 unusual characteristics. It is piebald, the mix of colours, and can be often multi-horned, which is called polycerate. Merino ram. A flock of sheep is generally mated by one single ram, which has either been chosen by a farmer or has established dominance through physical contest with other rams. Dromedary camel. Their humps are for storing reservoirs of fatty tissue. When this tissue is metabolized, it yields more than 1 gram of water for every gram of fat processed. A camel can drink 200 litres of water in 3 minutes. Boa goat buck. Most goats have 2 horns of various shapes and sizes depending on the breed. Mountain goat. Goats are ruminants. They have a 4-chambered stomach. As with other mammal ruminants, they are even-toed ungulates. Goats are closely related to sheep. There are over 300 distinct breeds of goat. Brown goat. Its coat is pigmented completely with pheomelanin. The earliest domestication of wild goats occurred in Iran around 10,000 calendar years ago. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.